quickly and easily. When it comes to establishing authority, many agencies struggle to make an impact. They may have a professional-looking website, but they lack the credibility and social proof needed to attract high-paying clients. Others may have a strong online presence, but they're not leveraging it to build trust and authority in their industry. Some agencies may even have a solid reputation, but they're not using it to attract new clients and grow their business. Whatever the challenge, building authority is key to setting your agency apart from the competition and attracting clients who are eager to work with you. Establishing authority isn't easy, especially in a crowded market where everyone is vying for attention. It takes time, effort, and a clear strategy to build credibility and trust with potential clients. Many agencies try to establish authority through traditional methods like blogging, social media, and content marketing, but these approaches can be time-consuming and may not yield the desired results. Others may try to buy their way to authority by investing in expensive advertising. But this approach can be costly and may not lead to meaningful connections with potential clients. The truth is, building authority requires a different approach, one that's centered around showcasing your expertise, providing value, and leveraging cutting-edge technology to stand out from the competition. This is where a GPT-powered directory system comes in, a revolutionary tool that can help you establish authority, build credibility, and attract high-quality clients quickly and easily. So, how does this system work? Essentially, it leverages the power of artificial intelligence to create a robust directory of listings that are optimized for search engines and designed to showcase your agency's expertise. With this system, you can create high-quality listings that are perfectly optimized for search engines, without requiring any technical expertise or a team of writers. The benefits are obvious. You can establish authority, build credibility, and attract high-quality clients quickly and easily, all while saving time and resources. One of the key features of this system is its ability to generate high-quality content at scale, using the power of artificial intelligence. This means you can create listings that are engaging, informative, and optimized for search engines, without requiring a team of writers or a huge budget. The system also allows you to customize your listings to fit your agency's unique style and branding, ensuring that your directory stands out from the competition. I want to share a powerful insight that I've gained from using this system. By leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, I've been able to create high-quality listings that are perfectly optimized for search engines, without requiring any technical expertise or a team of writers. This has allowed me to establish authority, build credibility, and attract high-quality clients quickly and easily, all while saving time and resources. But don't just take my word for it. I've seen firsthand how this system can dramatically change an agency's client acquisition strategy. For example, one of my clients was struggling to attract new clients despite having a solid online presence. By using the GPT-powered directory system, they were able to create high-quality listings that showcase their expertise and establish their authority in the market. The result: they were able to attract new clients quickly and easily, and their business began to flourish. In summary, building authority as an agency is crucial in today's competitive market. And a GPT-powered directory system can be a game-changing strategy for establishing credibility, showcasing your expertise, and attracting high-quality clients quickly and easily. By leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, you can create high-quality listings that are optimized for search engines, establish authority, and attract new clients, all while saving time and resources. If you want to learn more about how to build authority and attract clients using cutting-edge strategies, be sure to check out my next video on the ultimate guide to building authority with AI-powered content. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.